both these appeals have been filed being aggrieved by the orders dated 21/5/2020 and 10/6/2020 passed by the learned single judge directing the High Court to ensure that technical persons are available at the time of hearing of cases through video conferencing, and that such technical persons should ensure that every case is available online on the computer by downloading the cause list onto the laptop computer and make an icon on the desktop of that computer, as also download the pleadings of all the cases listed on that day onto the computer and make individual icons on the desktop so that the court can assess each case at the click of the mouse. It is also directed that such technical person should ensure that the cases so downloaded are as per the cause list and are properly and accurately uploaded. It is submitted by learned counsel for the appellant that the said directions were issued in the criminal matters that were being heard by the learned single judge. It is submitted that they have no grievance and have not challenged the orders passed in the criminal case, but are only aggrieved by the directions issued to the High Court regarding making available of technical persons for regular court work. It is submitted that the petitioner was praying for regular bail, whereas the order passed by the special judge CBI Court Chandigarh cancelling the bail of the petitioner therein was assailed. Thus, the High Court within bracket appellant was not a party to those proceedings. However, being aggrieved by the directions orders that are being assailed in the present appeals, the High Court in the first instance moved two applications in each of the cases seeking to be impleaded as party and for recalling the orders dated 21/5/2020. Wide order dated 10/6/2020, the learned single judge impleaded the appellant as party to the proceedings, but the prayer for recalling modifying the order dated 21/5/2020 has since been declined. Wide order dated 10/6/2020, and instead it was observed that as regards recalling modification of the order, I see no reason to do so, because if training had already been imparted to the staff of each court, it is the duty of such court staff to ensure, in tandem with other officials of the registry, to upload all case files on to the computers, laptops, iPads, etc. are available to each court. Thus, these appeals, learned counsel for the appellant having taken us through the grounds on which the order dated 21/5/2020 was sought to be recalled, as also the grounds of appeal at hand, has demonstrated that the impugned directions issued by the learned single judge are rather causing practical difficulties and have made it nearly impossible for the High Court appellant to regulate and manage the video conferencing process. He submits that the role of the technical staff of the computer section of the High Court is confined only to resolving the technical issues concerning connectivity or audio video disturbances during the hearing, whereas the task of downloading the cause list pleadings, making individual icons on the desktop, downloading the cases as per the cause list has specifically been assigned to the secretarial staff attached to each court judge. Thus, he submits in the wake of the directions issued by the learned single judge. The technical staff is now required.